I feel like I have to sneeze, guys. Bless me. Hello, everyone. You know, be a kid. You don't need to go out and... I have to sneeze. Bless me. You don't have to go out and date around and get your heart broken by guys who are not ready to date. Just write anything for 5 minutes a day. That's it. And the cool thing about putting a time, sometimes, bless me, putting a time on it is it's not a pressure to write a certain. I have to sneeze. Bless me. Yep, I had to sneeze. For today's video, food, because I am one of those people that eats in my bedroom like all the time. So I'm usually gathering water bottles, food. Oh no, I have to sneeze. Wow, bless me. And then I'm putting away physical therapy. There is a link in the info box. It is super easy. I use a generator. Bless me. So all you do is click that link and then it will guide you through everything. And